Having the perfect male physique is a goal for many men. Chiseled abs, bulging biceps, and a sculpted chest are the epitome of physical fitness. But getting that superhero body takes work and dedication. As a fitness coach, I've helped hundreds of guys go from scrawny to swole by following this 10-step plan. Want to get ripped fast? Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Cut calories and follow a nutritious diet. The first key is getting your diet in check. To build an impressive physique, you need to cut calories to shed body fat. Aim for a 500-calorie daily deficit to lose around 1 pound per week. Fill up on protein like chicken, fish, and Greek yogurt to build muscle. Get complex carbs from whole grains, veggies, and fruits. And don't forget healthy fats from oils, nuts and seeds to boost testosterone. Take a multivitamin to cover any nutritional gaps too. Step 2. Lift heavy weights with compound exercises. The best way to sculpt an aesthetic physique is to do full-body workouts focused on compound lifts. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press, pull-ups, and rows work multiple muscle groups at once. Lift challenging weights in the 6 to 12 rep range for 3 to 5 sets. This builds size and strength much faster than isolation moves. Aim for at least 3 total body workouts each week. Step 3. Add accessory exercises for muscle targeting. In addition to heavy compounds, add some accessory lifts to really carve and chisel the muscles. Great options include bicep curls, tricep extensions, lateral raises, shrugs, hip thrusts, and calf raises. Do 2 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps after your main lifts. This exhausts the muscles, creating an intense pump and muscle fatigue to spur growth. Target lagging body parts 2 to 3 times per week. Step 4. Do HIIT cardio for fat burning. The best way to shred body fat is with high-intensity interval training or HIIT. This means alternating bursts of max effort with recovery. Try sprinting, cycling, jump rope, rowing, and stair climbers. Shoot for 20 to 30 minutes 2 to 4 times a week to rev up fat burning and maintain muscle. Steady-state cardio can be added too, but isn't as effective. Step 5. Master the mind-muscle connection. Learning how to flex and squeeze your muscles during lifts engages more fibers for faster growth. This mind-muscle connection takes practice but makes workouts more effective. During sets, focus intensely on the target muscles working. Slow down reps and visualize them expanding. Flex hard at the top of movements. Use lighter weight until mastering the technique. Step 6. Follow an intelligent training split. Organizing your lifting schedule strategically is key. Aim to train each muscle group 2 to 3 times weekly. A simple and effective split is upper body, lower body, and total body. This allows proper recovery so you can train hard again. Listen to your body and take rest days when needed. Shoot for 4 to 6 days of exercise each week. Step 7. Prioritize rest and recovery. Gains are made when muscles recover and adapt between workouts, not during them. Make sleep a priority and aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Take at least one full rest day where you do no intense training. Get massages and stretch regularly. Consider active recovery like walking, yoga, and light cycling on off days. Proper rest makes training harder and more fruitful. Step 8. Time your nutrition. When and what you eat matters for optimizing muscle growth and fat loss. Have a fast digesting protein like whey after workouts to maximize repair and recovery. Consume 20 to 40 grams. Refuel with carbohydrates and protein 1 to 2 hours later. Casein protein at night provides amino acids as you sleep. Creatine monohydrate powder can boost strength and size gains too. Step 9. Stay hydrated. Being dehydrated hampers gym performance and muscle growth. Sip water during workouts and aim for at least 1 gallon daily. Adding electrolytes can help recover quickly. Some signs of poor hydration are muscle cramps, dark urine, fatigue, and headache. Drinking enough water also keeps energy levels high while curbing excessive hunger and cravings. Step 10. Be patient and consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day. Getting shredded and big naturally takes diligent effort. After around 8 to 12 weeks you should notice good progress following these steps. Take monthly photos for accountability. But stick with it long term. Gains happen slowly over months and years. Stay motivated by tracking progress and setting new fitness goals. There you have it, the perfect step-by-step blueprint to build your best body ever fast. This complete guide covers training, nutrition, recovery, and mindset. By following these tips and working hard, you'll be shredded and jacked before you know it. Now get to the gym and start sculpting that superhero physique. Let me know once you achieve peak shape. For a free personalized fitness plan, subscribe to my YouTube channel here where I'll be posting more in-depth fitness tutorials. Let me know in the comments what physique topics you want me to cover next.